The snoring disaster.
What should we do? What was that? Let's take a look. This blanket is old. Where's it coming from?
It's coming from Mommy and Daddy's bedroom.
Oh.
I wonder who's in there.
Mommy and Daddy? Asleep again?
Wake up time.
I will tickle them with a feather. Here we go.
This cannot work, Eric.
Or about 5 little monkeys to wake Mommy and Daddy up. Bounce on them! Yeah!
It didn't work either.
How about if I could play the trumpet to wake Mommy and Daddy up? Ready? This is impossible. I'll just do the balloon pop on their blankets. Prepare to wake up. This is totally not working. So I'll just blow them a kiss. Mwah! Yay, we did it. It's time for breakfast. Now.
Created using Powtoon.